The threat of violence in South Africa is very real, but also what we see in practice is people take out false protection orders. What are the reasons for this? Why do people do this? What advantages do they get from taking out a false protection order? In this video, we're going to be covering that exactly. Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. The first common advantage that people seek by taking out a false protection order is the family law advantage that it comes with it. In other words, usually you'd find a spouse who's going through some kind of a divorce and maybe they've been cheated on. And in order to stop that other partner from getting access to the children, they go and take out a false protection order that this person has abused the children or has abused the partner, and now they want a distance from that person and the children. And this damages the other person. This hurts the other person because they also have a right to see the children, especially if they've done nothing wrong. So that's the advantage that they would get from taking out a false protection order. It's definitely illegal, and you can even win at court by showing that there is no proper grounds for a protection order. The second advantage when it comes to taking out a false protection order is when a roommate wants to get rid of another roommate. Instead of following the proper eviction process, they would just take out a false protection order and get that person kicked out. Again, if you have the proper evidence, you can have that challenged at court. And the last is where someone just wants to be vexatious and abusive towards you and they want to damage your good reputation. They will go and take out a protection order and they'll say that you've abused them. They'll make up all kinds of allegations. The ultimate test is the evidence. If you are going through this, make sure that you have your evidence gathered properly and you're ready to challenge these allegations against you. It is very important because a protection order can lead to your arrest if it's breached. If you need help in your situation, whether that's formulating a defense or challenging it at court, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.